Okay, so let's talk setup in the bunker. What's actually important to be a good bunker player? So, first thing I would say is we need to have a good base. We don't want to be moving around. If we're moving around, it's going to be hard to hit the right point in the sand. So that's the first thing. So get a good base. Make sure you get into the sand a little bit. Next thing we want to do is we have to figure out where you, and everybody's different, where you enter and exit the sand. So I put a line in the middle of my stance here. I'm just going to get up. By the way, I'm super square. I haven't done anything that looks anything different than probably my normal swing here. So I'm going to make a swing back and through. And what I'll notice here is that I hit basically right on line there. If I were to hit that shot, that ball would be absolutely gone. So I need to change that ball position. So I'm going to draw another line here. It's not quite on my left heel. It's somewhere in between. I'm going to make another swing. That's pretty darn good there. If I just shimmy forward, and I haven't done anything different, and by the way, I'm not even going to do a bunker swing here. I'm just going to go ahead and just swing back and through. I can get the ball out pretty much every time because I've managed to hit the right part before it and after it. And the angle coming in here is nice and shallow. So I think that's really important to note. If you're setting up, you've got to find the right ball position for you to make sure you make good contact. Now, in saying that, what we need to talk about if you're having trouble with this is weight distribution. Where is your weight in the bunker? And I see there's a lot of people with a lot of different theories, get all your weight here. I think what they're really trying to do is stabilize everything so there's not a lot of movement, but I don't think you need to go to all that trouble. So here's what I would say. Once you find the right ball position, experiment with the weight distribution. So for me, I know that probably 50-50 is not really going to work. For this bunker shot to work, I'm going to need about 70% on my lead leg. From there, I'm going to make a normal swing, and I hit a much better shot. Again, I can do anything different. This is just my normal swing. I'm not actually trying, and a nice shallow angle of attack. If you are a person that is, if you watched any of the other videos, if you're a person that is too steep or too shallow, then you're going to need to change that. So for the shallow guy, we might need a little bit of wrist hinge. For the steep guy, we might need more of a shallower swing. What I'm looking for when I'm practicing is a little box. Imagine I draw a little box here, and that represents roughly where the ball is going to be. I just want to make a nice swing and take a shallow divot and take away the box. If I can do that there, it means that I can place my ball in that box and remove it every time. I want to avoid a lot of that steep digging motion. But again, keys here, establish a consistent ball position, establish the correct weight. Now, I've seen people that are being 40% on this leg just because of the way they deliver the club. So there's no perfect way. You need to go out and practice it. But the key is find the ball position so at least you're making contact before and after the sand. Find the weight, so that'll help the attack angle and club delivery into the sand.